Good morning to all. Welcome to Blue Stars Higher Secondary School online class. Class 8, subject Physical Science. Students, last class we saw introduction topic, what is mean by fibers, fabrics. And first topic, what are synthetic fibers and what are the types of synthetic fibers. Next, we will see plastics. So what is mean by plastics? Students, already you know, you must be familiar with many plastic articles used in everyday. Plastic is also a polymer. What is mean by polymer? Already you know, polymer is like a synthetic fiber. Polymers like a synthetic fiber. Polymers like a synthetic fibers. All plastics do not have same type of arrangements. Yellow plastic में same irukadu. All types of plastics the arrangement is not same. The arrangement is not same. Some of them are linear and some of them are cross-linked. So linears, the structure of linear, that is the one-way type. It is the linear. And cross-linked means that is the cross-link. Some of the plastics are linear and some of the plastics are cross-linked. Next, types. Next one is the types. Plastics are available in all possible shapes and size. Have you ever wondered how this is possible? In fact, the plastic is easily molded. It can change the shapes and size. Plastics, it can change the size and shapes. It can change the size and shapes. Plastics can be recycled, reused, colored, melted, rolled, and made in wires. So these are the plastics are, it can change the size and shapes. Plastics are recycled, reused, reused, colored, melted, rolled, and made into wires. Next one is the types of plastics. What are the types of plastic? There are two types of plastics. First one is the thermoplastics. Second one is the thermosetting plastic. There are two types of plastics. First one is the thermoplastic. Second one is the thermosetting plastics. First, we see thermoplastic. First we will see thermoplastics. Thermoplastics. What is mean by plastic? The plastic which gets deformed easily. Which plastic is deformed easily? This is known as the thermoplastics. The plastic which gets deformed, easily, this is known as the thermoplastic. Thermoplastic means the plastic which gets deformed easily on heating. This is known as the thermoplastic. Example of thermoplastic: polythene and PVC. PVC means polyvinyl chloride. This used for manufacturing toys, combs, and various types of containers. Next we will see thermosetting plastic. Thermosetting plastic means which plastics do not be softened by heating. The thermosetting plastics cannot be softened on heating. Is known as the thermosetting plastics. So this is the thermoplastics. Thermoplastic means the plastics which deformed easily on heating. This is known as the thermoplastics. Thermosetting plastic means the plastic cannot be softened by heating. This is known as the thermosetting plastics. Example of thermosetting plastics: backlight and melamine. Backlight is a poor conductor of heat and electricity. Melamine is versatile material. Melamine is a versatile material. It resists fire. And can tolerate better than other plastics. better than other plastics. The melamine is used for making floor tiles, kitchenware, and resist wire and resist fire. So this is the difference between thermoplastics and thermosetting plastics. Students, next, plastic as material of choice. Students, if you think it, there is storing a food items. Today, if we think of storing a food item, which one is storing in plastic bottles? Water, milk, pickles, dry food, etc. The water, milk, pickles, dry foods, these food items stored in plastics. Plastic containers are most convenient. Plastic containers are most convenient. This is because of their lightweight. Plastic bottles are lightweight, lower pressure, good strength, and easy handling. Why people used plastic vessels means used for to storing of water, milk, pickles, dry food. The plastics containers are most convenient. They are lightweight, lower price, good strength, and easy handling. Plastics are used to cars, aircraft, slippers, furniture, and decoration pieces. So plastics material as used for to storing the food items of water, milk, pickles, dry food, etc. Plastic materials used for most convenient. This is because the plastics are lightweight, lower price, good strength, and easy handlings. Plastics are used in cars, aircraft, slippers, furniture, and decoration pieces. Plastic is reactive or non-reactive? Students, you know? Any one of you guess it? Plastic is reactive or non-reactive? Yes, plastics are non-reactive. Why plastics are non-reactive? What is the reasons? You know that metals like iron get rusted, but plastics do not react with water. Plastics do not react with water. Plastics do not react with water. So plastics are non-reactive. Next, plastic is light. Strong, and durable. Why plastic is light, strong and durable? The reason is, students, talk to about your parents or grandparents and neighbors. What are the types of plastics? What are the types of buckets that were used in past? What is the material of the buckets or mugs you are using today now? What are the advantages of using the plastics? Plastic is very light, strong, durable and can be molded different types of size and shapes. Different types of size and shapes. So plastic is a non-reactive. Why plastic is a non-reactive? You know, the metals like iron get rusted when exposed to moisture and air, but plastics do not react with water and air. They are not corroded easily. That is why the plastic is non-reactive. Then plastic is light, strong and durable. Why plastic is light, strong and durable? So talk to our parents or grandparents or neighbors. What are the types of buckets that were used in the past? What is the material of buckets or mugs you are using today? What are the advantages of plastic containers? The plastic is light, strong, durable, molded in different types of size and shapes. Plastic is generally cheaper than metals. Plastics are generally cheaper than metals. They are widely used in industry and household articles. They are used in industry and household articles. Why plastics are poor conductors? Why plastics are poor conductors? What is the reason? Why plastics are poor conductors? What is the reasons? You have learned about the plastics are poor conductors that of heat and electricity already, you know. That is why electrical wires have plastic covering. So all of the electrical wires have covering in plastic, and screwdrivers are covering the handles in the plastics. So the plastics are poor conductors of heat. Students, I have attached this topic assignment. I have attached one videos for this topic. Thank you.